Hello guys, hope everybody good. Today is 22nd of May. I want a little bit updating my bird here. This is my first pair here. This is a hen. That one is a cock. Both 2022. Very good birds. And this is the chicks here. 4 nice healthy chicks here. 9 days old. Nice healthy chicks. And I just cleaned the nest as well. I take all the chicks out and get rid of all the dirt and all the poos, you know, like make sure the nest is nice and clean, as you see. This is my first parrot here. I had like 3 chicks with them, and I had like 6 chicks first round from both my pairs, and I give it to one of my friend. Yeah, they was very nice chicks. So this is the second round here, 4 chicks. So this is my second pair here. That's a hen. This is a cock, very nice bird. This one's 22 as well. 4 nice healthy chicks here. I noticed one of them is very behind, you know, like smaller than others. What I do every day, I top the chicks, you know, like I top him up like twice a day to make sure he's gonna make it, because he's really small. He's very small. They all same days. They hatch same day, but I don't know why. One of them is very small, and I've noticed this one as well. I've got one of my chicks here. If you notice here, if you check here, on top of his head, he's got that black spot. You know, like that mark there. I never see any red mosaic with that black spot there on his head. Yeah, if you know why, you can let me know in the comment as well. This is the first time I saw a bird with that mark on your head. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make some food, and I'm gonna give it to that young chicks there, and I'll show you how I make it. And to be honest with you, I never spend, you know, like £20 on food, because it's gonna get wasted. I always use this formula I show you now, and you can save your chicks only for topping up here, not regular, you know, like to be feeding 4 or 5 times a day, only twice a day. Once in the morning and once evening, like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And this is what I use to feed my chicks. I've got this biscuit here. It's a baby biscuit. It's very good. I'm using this like for 3-4 years. I saved like a few chicks, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is a biscuit, because I'm only feeding 1 chicks, that young one. I put half piece here, put a little bit warm water there, just leave it to soak there. Just make a little bit runny, just leave it there for like a few minutes. Personally, I use probiotic and calcium. If you don't have those, still is fine, but I tried them first round, and the chicks was nice and healthy, and the size of them, it was good size bird as well. I use both this powder here, probiotic and calcium in there. So this is after 1-2 minutes. What I do, I put a bit calcium in there. That's calcium. And some probiotic. Shake it well. You don't have to be too thick and too watery. This is perfect. This is perfect, yeah. So I use this orange here. So I'm gonna get ready and give it to the chicks. So this is the chicks, guys, I was talking about. Look at the size of it, it's tiny. As compared to these ones, they're all been fed properly. It's only this one's here. It's got tiny food there, tiny bit food. I think that's why you don't grow. You don't get as much food. That's the size of it, it's tiny. And this is the ones. And the food is ready now. Let's get started. So, come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. You can see now. This is full now. The next time I'm gonna feed the chicks like 9 o'clock. I just do it twice a day, not more than twice. Just a tap in the top. Come on. You see my nest as well. I just cleaned it like half an hour ago. If you can clean your nest regular, yeah, just clean it. Make sure your nest is clean, so you're not gonna have any problem with the mite problem. Is all mice problem. So I clean my nest 2-3 times, you know, like in a week. Make sure no mess. Just got this one here. So that's the baby been fed. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.